bang, bang, nigga. Fuck. Bang, bang, nigga.
Snoop Dogg has been known to wave that blue flag. He's been known to fly that blue flag.
Yeah.
And back then, that was really the West Coast thing and Chicago thing. But right now,
it's everywhere.
The gangs is everywhere.
Yeah,
especially like, the Bloods is all over New York crazy. What's Snoop Dogg feel when he sees all that?
You know what? At the same time, I'm proud, but at the same time, I'm disappointed because there's no understanding. It's cool to be in a gang. It's cool because gang breeds love and family and friendship. See, people don't understand the positives of being in a gang. But if there's no understanding or explanation of why this gang was created, what's the origins of this gang, what are the rules and regulations, then it becomes a disappointment. And I feel like a lot of these guys watch TV and they see it, and then a couple of guys come from out of town and they brainwash them and they get them, and then they just gang banging for no reason. So it's like...
Bang, bang, nigga. Fuck. Bang, 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 nigga.